Sharing Gourmet Recipes videos. Despite the fact that people around the world are tightening their belts due to slowing economies, gourmet food still holds our interest. One reason for this is that gourmet food needn't be expensive. The word gourmet doesn't mean snobby or pricey. It means the food is sensuous, it not only tastes delicious, but it's presented beautifully, and offers varying textures and scents. Which is the second reason gourmet food remains popular. Even in difficult times, perhaps especially in difficult times, everyone enjoys the simple pleasures in life. Yes, we all must eat, but why not make sure our food is as pleasurable as possible? That's what gourmet food is all about. Fun and edifying. Many people who love food enjoy watching it prepared. Seeing a master chef work his magic in the kitchen is akin to watching a great artist create a painting or a gifted ballet dancer perform Giselle. It's entertaining, and even fascinating, to watch. You might learn something, too. Even if you never create the exact recipe you watch online, oftentimes you can take a certain technique you saw and apply it to your everyday cooking. That's why so many amateur cooks love sharing cooking videos with each other. It's fun, and they can learn something, too. Testing. Sharing gourmet cooking videos with your friends is also a terrific way to test out recipes. For example, if you work full-time and don't cook as you'd like, it could take a year or more to try all the recipes you wish you could. But if you and your friends each try a new gourmet recipe, then report back to each other, it won't take nearly as long. Such tests can lead to lots of food tasting, too. Budget-friendly gourmet parties. Aged wine, a little caviar, fine food, who doesn't love an evening of gourmet eating? But what if you don't have the time, or the budget, to host an elaborate evening? Then sharing gourmet recipe videos with your friends is an ideal way to make a gourmet party possible. If you make the entree, other friends make the side dishes, another friend works on the dessert, another brings wine, and another brings an entree, you'll quickly, easily, and cheaply hosted an evening to remember.